So hello all. Today we'll look at a question given in GATE 2020. It says the pre-order traversal of a binary search tree is 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16, 19. Which one of the following is the post-order traversal of the tree? The NPTEL reference video of this is lecture 7 on tree walks or traversals. The course name is Data Structures and Algorithms by Professor Naveen Garg from IIT Delhi. Now let us look at the useful data of this question. Now what is a binary search tree? A binary search tree is a rooted binary tree such that all the internal nodes each store a key greater than all the keys in the node's left subtree and less than those in its right subtree. Now, what is a tree traversal? A tree traversal is a method of traversing or visiting all the nodes of a tree. There are three types of tree traversals. Number one is in-order traversal, which means we visit the left subtree, then the root, followed by the right subtree. Pre-order traversal is we visit the root node first, followed by the left subtree and the right subtree. Post-order traversal is we visit the left subtree, followed by the right subtree and then the root node at last. Now let us look at how to solve this question. So now we are given a pre-order traversal. So what is a pre-order traversal? For a given tree, we visit the root node first. Then we visit the left subtree. And then we visit the right subtree. Okay. So let me draw a sample binary search tree. In the binary search tree, let's say we have a node with value 15. This is a root node. All the nodes should have on the left subtree should have value less than or equal to 15. So I can have a value, let's say 10, and all the nodes in the right subtree should have a value greater than 15, let's say 25. Okay, so this is an example of a binary search tree. Now let us go back to our original question. So we are given this by pre-order traversal 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16 and 19. Now let us create a tree using this traversal only. Now in a pre-order traversal we say that we first visit the root node of the tree. So the first node with value 15 becomes our root node. Now it will have one left subtree and it will have one right subtree. And the left subtree will contain nodes which are less than or equal to 15. So these nodes have value less than or equal to 15. So these nodes will be a part of the left subtree and these nodes will be a part of the right subtree as they are greater than 15. So now let us create the left subtree first. Now in the left subtree, we'll recursively find out that when we visit the left subtree, the first node is the root. So we write 10 here. Then this 10 can have either a left subtree or a right subtree. What nodes will be there in the left subtree of 10? It will have the nodes with value less than 10, right? So we don't have any node in our pre-order traversal which has value less than 10. So our node with value 10 has no left child. In the right subtree, we look at the values of nodes with values greater than 10 and less than 15, which is these two nodes, and try to place them. So when visiting, first we see 12. So 12 becomes our root node. And since 11 is less than 12, so 11 becomes the left child of 12. Okay. So now we have completed building our left subtree. Now let us build our right subtree. In our right subtree, it contains nodes which are greater than 15 and the first node is 20. So it becomes our left subtree. And it will have a left subtree and it will have a right subtree. Now the left subtree would contain nodes which are greater than 15 but less than 20. We don't have any node in our pre-ordered traversal. Oh, right. So we have nodes in our pre-ordered traversal which are greater than 15, and less than 20. But we don't have any nodes which is greater than 20. So this 20 does not have a right child. Now in the left child, we'll try to build the tree. This 18 is the first node written here. So 18 becomes our root node, and the value which is less than 18 becomes the left child of 18, which is 16, and the value which is in the right subtree becomes value which is greater than 18 but less than 20 becomes our right child, which is 19. So we have constructed the tree using the pre-ordered traversal. We can also verify our answer by taking a pre-ordered traversal and checking if we get the answer given in the question. So if you take a pre-ordered traversal, we first visit the root, then we visit the left subtree. Okay. Then since the left subtree recursively will visit, so we'll again visit the root node. It does not have a right subtree, it does not have a left subtree. So we go to the right subtree and recursively we visit the root of the right subtree, visit 12. Then we visit the left subtree, it does not have a right subtree. So we backtrack from here, then to the root node, and then we'll visit the right subtree. Recursively, we'll visit the root node first. So we visit 20. Then we go to the left subtree. Recursively, we'll visit the root, which is 18. Then we'll visit the left subtree and the right node of 18. So we can see that the pre-ordered traversal is same as what it was given in the question. So we can say that our tree is correct. Now let us build our post-order traversal, and that will be our answer. Now post-order traversal is nothing but we visit the left subtree first, then we visit the right subtree, and then we visit the root node. So when we are sitting in 15, we will visit the left subtree first. Now recursively we will visit the left subtree. This does not have a left subtree. So we'll go to the right subtree. Recursively we will visit the left subtree node first, which is 11. Then we'll visit the right subtree, does not have a right subtree, and then we visit the root node. So 11, 12, and then since for node 10 it has visited the right subtree, then it will visit the root node, which is 10. And for 15, we have visited the left subtree. We'll go on visiting the right subtree. We'll recursively visit the left subtree. We'll again recursively visit the left subtree, and we output 16. Recursively visit the right subtree, output 19, and then we get the root node, which is 18. Now this does not have a right subtree, so then we get 20. And finally, we visit the root node, which is 15. So 11, 12, 10, 16, 19, 18, 20, 15 matches option B. So the correct answer to this question is option B. I hope you got this explanation. Thank you.